And this is the backyard. As you can see that it's getting flooded through the fence from the creek here. Bridge over there, the water's all the way up to it. It's freaking crazy. I'll do a video from the inside in a minute. So we can peek over. Oh wow. Yeah, it's totally freaking flooded. Building over there, you can see a bus across there. Directly ahead, the water is actually halfway up the doors. Freaking crazy. Closed off the bridge over there. It's sad. Major rain. It's actually slowed down rain-wise, but this is in the backyard. As you can see, we are getting washed away here. Freaking crazy. There's that bus again over there. This is the one bridge right down from my house. Water's totally flooded. There's the house right there. Take you over to the other side. You can see it's covering trees here and everything. Never freaking like this. Whew. Crazy. Here is the main bridge. As you can see, this is freaking totally flooded through here. Water's right up to the bridge. Set it up the other side. Backyard's flooded there. Holy crap.